Hey guys! Today I want you to learn how to ask for directions in Russian, and I don't want to overwhelm you. Let's keep it easy. It's 2020, life is already difficult. No need to add any extra confusion, right? And this is the beginner's kit after all. We don't need to sound perfect, we just need people to understand what we say. I was watching quite a few Benjamin's videos lately. Maybe you know him, maybe not. He has a channel that is called Bold and Bankrupt, and there he has plenty of videos where he's traveling in the former Soviet Union. So he's traveling there, he's looking for places, and of course he's asking for directions in Russian. Benjamin's Russian isn't perfect, but he is successful in communicating to locals. Well, most of the time he's I love these simple ways of asking for directions, and what is most important, those simple ways worked. So for example, I think that is the most primitive phrase I remember him using. I'm not sure what exactly he was looking at the time, but let's say he was looking for a shop. So he said something like this. Где магазин? Отсюда туда как? So the first part, где магазин, sounds perfect. It's great, nothing there to correct. Где магазин? Where is a shop? Где is where, магазин, a shop. But the second part sounds odd. You don't really say like that. But people understood him. So отсюда is from here, туда, to there, and как, how. Keep in mind, the person that you are asking for direction in such a way most probably gonna assume that your Russian is very poor. So he or she will give you directions using a lot of gestures. But that's a good thing, isn't it? Okay, let's focus on correct Russian. Yes, let's focus on correct and proper ways of asking for directions. So as I said before, где магазин is good. It's good, it's easy, it sounds great, so memorize this one. Где and whatever you're looking for. For example, где вокзал? Где вокзал? Or где отель? Где отель? Где Красная площадь? Где Красная площадь? Где Красная площадь? Где больница? Где больница? Где больница? Well, first you will have to attract the attention, because usually people mind their own business and don't feel really eager to talk to a foreigner, especially if they don't speak any English, because that feels simply awkward. Besides, some people might feel worried if they see that you don't understand well. They kind of feel responsible. To attract the attention, we say excuse me. In Russian it sounds извините. 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 If that doesn't work, we can add sir or madame. We don't have such words in Russian, but we use for men, we use молодой человек. That's literally means young person, young man. So apparently all men in Russia are young. So молодой человек, it's like sir in English. Молодой человек. Молодой человек. So excuse me, sir will be извините, молодой человек. Извините, молодой человек. If it is not молодой человек, then most probably it is девушка. 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 Извините, девушка. You say девушка to women and girls, age doesn't matter. Unless the girl is obviously really young, like 10 or 5 years old, then it's a little girl, and that in Russian is девочка. 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 Or if it is obviously much older woman. Then you can say бабушка. Babushka. Babushka. But be careful with that, because babushka means granny. And Russian grannies usually have, they wear like a headscarf and are okay about being called babushka. I don't think these ladies would like to be called grannies though, so be careful with babushka. A Russian word for woman is женщина. 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 But женщина is another no-no, because you don't go on the street screaming, "Hey, woman!" Okay, let's repeat quickly. Извините, молодой человек, где магазин? Or, извините, девушка, где вокзал? Another useful phrase is скажите, пожалуйста. It means tell me, please. Скажите, пожалуйста. Скажите, пожалуйста. Скажите, пожалуйста. So, for example, скажите, пожалуйста, где магазин? You can add in front молодой человек. Скажите, пожалуйста, где вокзал? Or девушка. Скажите, пожалуйста, где магазин? If you want to sound more sophisticated, you can add a verb находится, is located. So, for example, скажите, пожалуйста, где находится магазин? Находится. Находится. Скажите, пожалуйста, где находится магазин? So tell me, please, where a shop is located. It is important to understand the directions that people give to you. Here are some simple ones, like for example, straight ahead in Russian, прямо. 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 So they can say something like, идите прямо, means walk, go straight ahead. Лево is left. Лево. To the left, налево. Налево. Право, right. To the right, направо. Направо. So, прямо, налево, направо. Imagine this situation. You found a person, you asked a question, you were really proud of yourself, and the person understood you. But here it comes, the answer, and you don't understand anything. It is handy to have a map in such situations. So you can say, please show me on the map. In Russian it sounds, покажите на карте, пожалуйста. Покажите на карте, пожалуйста. Покажите на карте, пожалуйста. I promise to keep it easy, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and bye-bye!